we want to rewrite this complex fraction, 8 minus I over 3 minus 2i, in the form a plus ib, where I squared is equal to minus 1. So I is the imaginary unit. How are we going to do this? Well, we're going to multiply it top and bottom by the complex conjugate of the denominator. So the complex conjugate is when we swap the sign from a minus to a plus, or vice versa, from a plus to a minus. So in this case, it's going to be 3 plus 2i. So let's write that out. We're going to have 8 minus I over 3 minus 2i, multiplied top and bottom by 3 plus 2i, 3 plus 2i. Beautiful. So let's expand this out. We can always think of fractions as having brackets around the top and the bottom. And we'll use the FOIL method then to expand each of these. The top then, 8 and 3 gives us a 24. The 8 and the 2i gives us plus 16i. The minus I in the 3 gives us minus 3i. And the minus I and the 2i gives us minus 2i squared. This then is on the top. And the bottom, what we see here is actually the difference of two squares, because we have 3 minus 2i and 3 plus 2i. So the minus and plus just being the only difference there. When we expand out and do the FOIL method, the minus 2i in the 3 and the 3 and the plus 2i will make the same term, but just with a different sign. So in this case, plus 6i and minus 6i. So they always cancel out. So all we're left with is the 3 squared, and then take away the 2i squared. Beautiful. So let's expand this all out. What are we going to get? Well, the top, what we can see is we have an I squared. And I squared, we know, is minus 1. So this minus 2i is actually going to become plus 2. So we have plus 2 and 24, which gives us altogether then 26. And in terms of I, we have 16 minus 3, which gives us 13. On the bottom then, what are we going to get? Well, 3 squared is 9. Nice and easy. And when we do 2i squared, the 2 becomes a 4. And the I squared is going to become minus 1. So actually, this is going to become plus 4. So altogether then, the 9 plus 4 is 13. So when we divide the 26 by 13, we get 2. And when we divide 13 by 13, we get 1. So this is just I. So altogether, our complex fraction can be rewritten as 2 plus I. Spot on. Thank you very much.